Breaking news, Nigerians. Finally, Northern elders open up on endorsing Peter Obi-Datti. 7 days to 2023 presidential election. The spokesperson for the Northern Elders Forum, NEF, Dr. Akim Babar Ahmed, on Saturday said that the group will not be pressured to endorse the candidacy of Peter Obi, Yusuf Datti Babar Ahmed. Politics Nigeria reports that Obi, a former governor of Anambra State, is the presidential flag bearer of the Labour Party. Datti Babar Ahmed, a former senator, is the younger brother of the NEF spokesman. While many Nigerians commenters have expressed their disappointment with the two main political parties who have governed the nation for a combined 24 years, the Labour Party candidates are seen as leaders that can perform better than the two main political parties, the All Progressive Congress (APC) and the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Groups such as the Southern and Middle Belt Leaders Forum and the Afenifere have endorsed Peter Obi as their preferred candidate for the February 25th presidential election, but NEF has chosen to sit on the fence. Baba Ahmed defended their decision. He said, I tolerate demands that NEF or should I endorse Peter Obi or declare our stand now. I stand that people think we have some influence, but we do not own anyone our loyalty or demand. None shall we choose what others insist we do. If exercising choices offend some people, too bad, the elder statesman wrote on his known Twitter handle. Meanwhile, these have generated a lot of reactions by Nigerians like, are you sure this man is in good times with his brother? Why is he not taking side with his brother? Why some said no, this man knows what he's doing. They just want, they don't want to be here nor there so that people will not say because Peter Datti Baba Ahmed is his brother, that is why he rushly made any pronouncement talking about endorsement and all that. So guys, let's quickly hit the comment section and hear what Nigerians are saying. Someone said, where was Peter Obi before he came to Labour Party? Is him not with PDP? So we really have senseless people in this country. We are voting for human being, not party. So if Peter Obi decided to leave Labour Party to any other party, we will follow him and vote for him. Simple. Likewise, if Tinubu leave APC, we will follow him. We are voting Tinubu, not party. Reactions are getting tough. Bat is not fit to rule Nigeria now. Bat cannot rule Nigeria of today. For 1 second, how much more for years? Are you God? So you need God to determine fitness. Jagaban has dominated the North. Then Atiku has been disowned by the North. Hey, your own North. Obi is not part of them. PDP want to use Obi to win people's hearts. Then because of them, no say Peter Obi is a good man. The heart and soul of NEF is for Atiku. We know it from the beginning. Nigeria will never have a good president because of all these tribal bigots. God will endorse Obi-Datti from February 25th. How influential is this NEF decision on the teeming electorate across the North? When we get to the bridge, we shall see who will cross it. Cross it to poverty. Atiku will sell you guys and run to Dubai. Why don't you build a company he built in Dubai in northern Nigeria? The only university he has in Adamawa State, American University, is not for articles. He's a foreigner. He is only coming to sell the remaining things he left in Aso Rock. He already said it that he would say he will sell the three refineries if elected, make Unwa dey ready to go join Cameroon. And to have nobody to trust but Obi for this matter. To hell with your endorsements. Just do your things underground. After all politics has never been a straightforward business. As a citizen, we need to vote for Peter Obi because I know that Peter Obi will change our story. Well, you have spoken well with maturity, but Nigeria need to move forward if truly you have love for Nigerians. We need Nigeria to start working. Nigeria is not working. We want people who can remove Nigeria from consumption to production. So let's forget about sentiment and do the right thing. You and I know the credible persons to move Nigeria forward among the three persons. Okay, guys, these are reactions by Nigerians. The truth is that if we are going to continue to dwell in this sentiment and religion, Nigeria will go nowhere. That is the truth. According to Atiku Abubakar, he said Nigeria will go from fire to fire if Tinubu wins. Then, what about him? These are the same set of people who have been there, APC and PDP. You can imagine, this one will say, APC will say, you are a thief. Then PDP will tell you, yes, but you are the biggest thief. These are the people you want to represent you. Make una think this one. Abeg, make I drop am for here. Let's see here.